When it comes to your finances, ignorance is not bliss. The less you know, the more you pay. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about cultivating a mindful approach to financial well-being. Enjoy. Have you ever paused to consider how your financial decisions impact your overall well-being? Mindfulness, the practice of staying present and engaged in the moment, can significantly transform your approach to managing money. When you apply mindfulness to your financial decisions, you start to see your purchases, savings, and even your financial stresses with a clearer perspective. This awareness allows you to make choices that are not just good for your wallet, but also for your peace of mind. Start by observing your spending habits without judgment. Notice what triggers impulsive purchases, and ask yourself whether these actions align with your long-term goals. Aligning your financial decisions with your personal values may sound straightforward, but it takes practice and dedication. Begin by defining what truly matters to you. Is it security, freedom, or perhaps generosity? Use these values as a compass for your financial planning. When setting financial goals, ask yourself if they reflect your core values. This alignment can lead to more satisfaction and less regret, because every dollar you spend or save supports your overarching life goals. Mindful consideration in this area not only clarifies your financial strategy, but also enhances your emotional relationship with money. Mindful spending isn't about frugality or cutting back on everything. It's about making sure that each purchase adds value to your life. Before buying, pause and reflect on the purpose of the expenditure. This habit forces you to consider the why behind your spending, helping to curb unnecessary expenses. Implement a 24-hour rule for larger purchases to give yourself time to decide if it's truly needed. Engaging in this practice can lead to significant savings and a deeper appreciation for the items you do choose to invest in, as each one has a deliberate place and purpose in your life. While mindful spending focuses on the present, mindful saving is all about looking towards the future. Establish a saving habit that mirrors your life's priorities. Whether it's setting aside money for an emergency fund, retirement, or a special vacation, ensure these actions resonate with your future aspirations. Visualize what achieving these goals will feel and look like. This visualization supports your daily saving efforts, making them feel less like a chore and more like a fulfilling journey towards a valued destination. Financial resilience is about more than just surviving unexpected financial setbacks. It's about thriving in the face of them. Cultivate resilience by maintaining a mindful approach to your financial health. Regularly review and adjust your financial plans to accommodate life changes. Practice gratitude for what you have and learn from past financial challenges without harsh self-judgment. This resilience ensures that you are better prepared for future fluctuations, enabling a steady progression towards financial stability, all while maintaining a calm and appreciative mindset. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.